Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will teach you that how you can replace the defective bearing of your scooter, and this process is same for all motorcycle and scooters. So first thing, how you will tell this bearing is defective. So just take this wheel like this free, okay, up from the ground. You can see here there is a lot of play here, you can see here. So this bearing is badly damaged, and it is very dangerous to drive this type of vehicle. And if the bearing is damaged, then it will start damaging your brake shoes, then pinion assembly, and your brake shoes will wear out frequently, and when you will apply brake, it will get struck that like, and you'll also feel that your wheels are not free. When you are driving, you will get a low mileage. So first I am removing this axle, okay. So first we have to remove this axle. So axle is ready to come outside, okay. And we'll remove this brakes connection also. If it is possible, remove it, otherwise no problem, okay. So I am taking out this axle from this side, you can see here, and I can insert a screwdriver and I can take out this axle outside. Yeah, so this axle came outside, okay. And here is the spacer, and now I can take out this wheel, and this wheel came outside, and remove this brake plate, okay. Yeah, so this brake plate is out, and now you can see the condition of the bearing here. I will show you that how much defective these bearings are, okay. And here the problem is, here one oil seal or water seal, you can tell, is not available, or it is damaged. That's why water is going directly inside this one, and it is spoiling the bearing. So you have to be careful. So here we have to remove the old bearings, and we have to put new bearings, and for that we will use a rod, okay. So how to remove this old bearing? So you have to choose a rod like this, any ordinary rod with a 90-degree edge, you can see here. So it is having a flat edge, not rounded, so you can see here. So it is not focusing. So yeah, you can see it is having a flat end. So we have to put it like this, okay. And we have to feel the edge of other side bearing. So what is the structure inside, I will show you later. But whenever I am inserting this rod like this, so here is one bearing, that side one bearing, and in between both there is one spacer. So whenever I am putting this one, I am feeling the edge of this bearing, it will go and touch this one, okay, so that I can push the bearing outside. So see what I am doing, I am feeling it here, or you can just hit it like this, okay. So yeah, now I am going to hit this rod from top, and that side the bearing will come outside. You can see here this bearing will come outside. I have to hit it like this, Okay, and that side, that bearing will come outside. So first I am doing from this side. Okay, so yeah, I am filling this bearing edge. So now from other side, yeah, and I will hit it. Yeah. I can feel the edge of the bearing. So I think the bearing will come outside. Yeah. So that side, that bearing came outside. So you can see what is the structure here. Okay, so this is the bearing, this is the spacer here. Okay, just like, and other bearing is that side. You can see here the other bearing is still there. So we have to remove that side bearing also. So I supported this wheel like this, and I am going to hit it, the other side bearing. Yeah. Yes. So other side bearing also came outside. So here you can see how the bearings are placed. So one bearing is like this, the another bearing is on top of this one. So this like, so whenever I am trying to remove this bearing, so I am trying to just insert this one like this rod like this. Okay, and I am going to hit on the inner portion. So this bearing will come outside, and after that we can remove this bearing. So now you can see the condition of this bearing. It is completely damaged. You can see the play, it is having lot of play. Okay, and this bearing is about to be damaged. You can see the condition of this bearing, it is completely damaged. You can see the condition. So these bearings are old and worn out. So we will first clean the wheel and we'll put new bearings. We also have to see the condition of this brake plate. So it is in very bad condition. So we opened this one, so this brake shoes are worn out. So we will put new brake shoes. So I am going to remove this old brake shoes, and whenever you are doing all these things, must complete everything, otherwise later you have to open it again. And this is the pinion assembly for the speedometer. So yeah, it is not ready to come outside. So first we have to remove this. So now we have to remove this pinion assembly, and for that we have to remove this oil seal, and it is slightly difficult. Yeah, and getting these oil seals are sometimes difficult. You will not get it easily. So we have to use the old one, and here is the pinion assembly. We have to take this pinion outside. Okay, completely worn out. You can see this is completely worn out, no teeth is there, so the speedometer will not work at all. So whenever you are doing anything, just complete everything. Okay, and here is one washer. So washer, I think we can take out later while cleaning, or I think washer is missing here. So washer is not there, and after that we have to remove this one. So we have to remove this tunion very carefully. We don't have to damage the plate, otherwise it will be difficult for us. Okay, so hit it correctly. Okay, you can see here this one came outside. Okay, so everything is here. And we'll put the new one. I have the new kit. So now we will clean this one. And this brake cam is also like very dry, and we have to remove this one also. Okay, so whenever you are doing, do everything so that you don't have to open anything again and again. Okay, so I am going to remove this also. And the main thing is parts. Some parts I think I will not get, so sometimes it becomes very irritating that you want to work nicely, but because of the shortage of the parts you have to be disappointed. Okay, so yes, you can see here this nut, this washer and bolt. Well, so this lever, this washer, and this, yes, you can see what is the condition here. Completely dry and no lubrication. And this o-ring also we have to keep safely, otherwise it will miss anywhere. So this is the o-ring. So we will clean all the parts. All the parts are completely dirty and dry. So after that we'll start assembly.